I am Socrates, a simple man from Athens, born in 470 BC. My life's work is about asking questions, talking with people, and searching for truth. I didn't write anything down, but my student Plato shared my ideas, and they've had a big impact on Western philosophy. I grew up in Athens, a city full of smart thinkers. My father, Socrates, was a stonemason, and my mother Phaenareid was a midwife. Growing up in a humble family shaped how I saw life and people. I didn't teach in a classroom. Instead, I talked with people in the marketplaces and public places of Athens. I didn't claim to know all the answers. Instead, I believed that asking questions could help us find deeper truths. This way of thinking is called the Socratic Method. It involves asking lots of questions to make people think deeply and see their own assumptions. I often said, the unexamined life is not worth living, meaning we should always think about our lives and seek the truth. I talked about many things, like right and wrong, justice, knowledge, and virtue. I believe true knowledge comes from knowing we don't know everything. I said, the only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. This idea made me different from other experts and sometimes made them angry. Even though I wanted to help people understand and be good, my constant questioning made some people dislike me. I was accused of leading the youth of Athens astray and not respecting the gods of the city. In 399 BC, I was put on trial. My defense, recorded by Plato in Apology, was about my mission to seek and speak the truth. But I was found guilty and sentenced to death. In my last days, I stayed with my friends and followers. I refused to escape and chose to follow the law, even though it meant dying. I drank the poison calmly and talked about the soul's immortality until my final breath. My ideas live on through Plato and Xenophon, who wrote down my teachings and conversations. My search for truth, ethics, and an examined life set the groundwork for Western philosophy. Today, my ideas still make us think about our beliefs, seek wisdom, and live rightly. Remember me not just as a philosopher but as someone who questioned the world, tried to understand human nature, and sought the principles that guide our lives. My life and teachings continue to inspire and provoke thought, showing the lasting power of philosophy.